Limiting work in progress is a fundamental thing in mastering Kanban process. Unfortunately, Jira, out of the box, cannot provide all needed capabilities to advance in this direction. So let's discuss about how to overcome these limitations with Advanced Agile Boards. Of course, the simplest option is assignment of work in progress limit on column level. This option is also available in Jira. Another simple option is definition of work in progress on Swimlane level. For instance, in my case, I don't want to have more than 3 blocker items, so I can easily limit it, and after that I can see that my limit is exceeded. But in real life, we have a need to move beyond that and define work in progress limit for intersection of column and Swimlane. Let's imagine that in my case, I don't want to have more than 2 blockers items in doing status. In order to achieve it, I can open my column and switch work in progress limit to WIP by Swimlane. Choose my Swimlane with blocker status and define that I don't want to have more than 2 items and maybe choose some specific color to see it. Apply the change and instantly I can see on the board that the limit is exceeded for this column. It will help me to control it in the future as well. The same level of flexibility could be achieved for column groups. I can define work in progress limit for the whole column group, so if amount of items in this column group will be exceeded, I will get information about this, like this one. And in addition, I can use the same possibility to define work in progress limit per column group and Swimlane. It will work the same like I presented before. The great thing that I can use multiple work in progress limit at the same time. In my case, I have work in progress for intersection of doing and blocker. I have work in progress limit for the whole column group. And in addition, I can apply work in progress limit for the Swimlane. And you see that all of them are visualized on the board. So I can always monitor all kinds of work in progress limits at the same time and be fully aware about current situation. This video will be incomplete if I would not be mentioning about personal work in progress limits. On the board level, I can define my personal WIPs, choose what columns they will be applied for, and for each personal WIP, I can choose person and define minimal and maximum work in progress limit. In my case, I don't want to have people without the task, and at the same time, I would like to limit their work maximum to 2 items. Let's save it and check it on the board. I can instantly see that 3 work in progress limit has been exceeded. 2 people has nothing to do, and 1 teammate has 5 tasks in progress and quite overloaded. So let's click at filter button to see the work which is assigned to this person. And after that, we can reassign the work from him to the people who has nothing to do and rebalance the work in this way. So now I see that my limits are fixed. That's it for today, and thank you very much for watching this video till the end. If you want to learn more, please schedule free demo session or subscribe to our channel because new videos will be coming. Have a great day, bye!